Hey there, fellow.
Hi, wanna trade?
Actually, no. I wanted to ask if you want to play Spin the Wheel.
Sure, how does it work?
So you have to give me your best pet, and then I'll spin the wheel to see if you get your pet back or not.
Oh, okay. Here's my best pet.
Perfect. Here's some randoms. It's good trust. Spinning. Oh my God, I'm so sorry you lost.
Wait, what?
JK, you got scammed.
Hey, give back my turtle.
No law.
New woo woo. My turtly, yeah.